Hello guys, this is Miss Couch. We're just going to go over a couple expectations for online learning and in my class. You'll be able to see this video and you'll be able to see the PowerPoint also. Today we're just going to try to do what's the new normal, how often do you have to check in, how will we talk to each other and communicate, and then what are your expectations with assignments. New normal. There is a school schedule to follow. You have to make sure that you check in on Teams. Everything will be communicated and completed online through the Teams. You'll be learning at your own pace. So you get the assignment, you either use the online book or the internet, and you'll do the work and submit it. And just note that this whole process, all your teachers are learning. It's new. You're learning. We're here. I'm here for you. We're here for each other. We'll figure it out. Okay, so you definitely need to be online for each class. Whether you have to be on during that class period or not is different from teacher to teacher. You need every day, Monday through Friday, to go on Teams. Here, and I'll show you. If you go on Teams and then click on your class, so it looks a little different because this is mine. You'll need to go to Assignments, and then under Assignments will be your quiz. It's just a daily, kind of show you what it looks like. Of course, yours looks different. It's just a daily attendance. So as soon as you click on that, answer the question and submit it throughout the day before 3 o'clock, and it will show that you are here for the day, and I'll mark you present. I have to take attendance every day. Okay, you don't have to stay, for me, you don't have to stay on class online during the entire assigned time. Just make sure you have checked your assignment, or you've done your attendance, you check your assignment, and you do the assignment at some point during the day, and then just hit submit, and that's how I'm going to grade your work. You can get on Teams any way that you can get on OneView. So a tablet, phone, computer, anything like that you've got on through OneView before, and blended learning. Okay, this is the new schedule for Fletcher. So these are the different periods we have blocked off to be able to kind of communicate with your teacher during those times. Some teachers might require you to be on during those times, and some might require you to like attend a live chat. Okay, I already talked about the attendance. So just make sure that you get in there. It's just a question, are you here today? Yes. Click it, and that's it. Okay, communications. Definitely keep in mind that during communication, when you're posting things, you'll only be allowed to post in the questions and concerns channel. There's the general channel, and that's what I post in. Then the question and concerns, that's where you will post. So if you have any questions, you can try there first, and then I'll get back to you, or I'll schedule a time to have a conference and call and talk to you or your parents, whoever it would be better for. But just know that I've set it to where you cannot delete a post. So be careful what you're posting. All the same school rules apply. You can still get in trouble. You can still get a referral. So just be careful. Like I said, you can submit your questions in the thread and I can reply back. You can email me, or if you have Remind, you definitely continue to use Remind. I would appreciate it if you don't have Remind, if you get that. I'll mention that later in the PowerPoint. Office hours are here, so I can schedule a meeting if I need to. Have a phone meeting, or we can do a team meeting on Teams and talk to each other. But we'll have to schedule that so we know we're both on. Here's my Remind code. Again, this PowerPoint will be, so you can read it and look at it slower, but this PowerPoint will be, here I'll show you, in Teams, the class, under Files, and the class materials. So I'll put the PowerPoint there for you to look at if you need to. Okay, how do you complete your work? You just click on the same thing you did with your daily quiz, but it's just assignments. You click on the assignment, tells you what to do. You might have to go, use YouTube to watch a video or BrainPop, or you have to go to the online book, and then you just type in your answers on the Word document and then click submit, and that's it. It's pretty simple. Here's how you get on the book, the online book, the student software, just like you guys have with Achieve. You click on this link and then put in your student ID and your password. If you can't get in, please let me know. Post that in the questions and concerns so I can go in and add you to the textbook. Some students I might need to manually add. So just let me know if you cannot access that book. Just send me a quick little post. Okay, the daily assignments. Like I said, make sure you do the daily attendance quiz before 3 or you're going to get marked absent. That's probably the first thing you need to do. I opened the quiz at 7 a.m. and I closed it at 3 p.m. If you haven't checked into my class in that time, you're absent. All the quizzes, all the assignments are due on Friday. They'll be open on Tuesday for all the days. So if you want to do them all Tuesday, that's fine. They're due on Friday. There'll be a quiz on Friday. That doesn't open until Friday. You'll be graded the same way I always grade you. It's just like your notebook. Each one's 10 points. So as long as you do the assignment and the questions are correct, then you get a 10 out of 10. And then your quiz grade will be worth more. So third quarter doesn't end until April 8th. So don't panic about grades right now. They won't be due until the 8th. Okay. Monday, your assignment will be to watch this video. And then just to complete, I'm trying to keep it easy because you're just trying to get started. Watch the BrainPop for wind and just answer the questions. On your assignment, you'll be able to click on here and type in the answer. Once you get done typing it all in, then there'll be a submit button and that's it. Okay. Tuesday, there's a PDF with the assignment, or you can use the online book. It's called the ebook. Excuse me, the ebook. And this is just a Word document. And this part are pictures, so you can't click on, but you can click over here. So you just read. You might match the definition and just write the word in here. And also here, there's a picture that's on that PDF. You just match the words. Okay, Wednesday, you'll go to YouTube and watch, Bill Nye. Oh, no, sorry. You'll watch Bill Nye Wind, and then just answer these questions. Again, you'll just click in there and type. If you start typing and it runs off, just backspace the line. That was just a space saver. Thursday, you need to click the link, play the Kahoot at least 2 times. It's your practice for your quiz on Friday. What you need to do to show me you did it, you just have to type your name in here, in this blank, in the document, and just hit submit. I know you could do that without actually doing the Kahoot. I'm aware of that, but the Kahoot is just for you, so you can practice for the quiz on Friday. So I'll really know who didn't do the Kahoot on Thursday because your grade will show it on Friday. Okay, and then again, your quiz will be on Friday. Let's see, just looking at, go back here. With Teams, because some of you, maybe you haven't used Teams before. These are your classes. This is all my classes. So see your first period, and you click in there. This is where questions and concerns, this is where you'll be able to post. As long as people do not take advantage, say inappropriate things, that will stay open for communication. No gifts or anything like that. Just type questions in there. Otherwise, it just gets too crowded and I might miss somebody's question. If you are a problem, then I can block you and you won't be able to write in there at all. I don't have to block the whole class. I'll just block whoever's being the problem. General, this will be for me. So you see I've already posted the welcome back. And then first period has morning announcements to watch with Miss Matthews. But any other post will be in here from me. Your files, if I have to upload any files. Like I said, for the class, it's stuff I upload that I don't want you to change will be in class materials. We're not doing class notebook. All of your assignments will be posted in here, and then your grades you get will be in here. Okay? All right, well, I'm excited, and again, if you have any questions for me, definitely either email me, send me a remind, or just post in that question and answers. I'm sure it will be kind of tricky at first, figuring out the whole new virtual thing, but hopefully we get it figured out the first week and it runs smooth. Make sure you guys are staying healthy and being smart, and guess have a good week.